Hey you guys, my name is James Diaz, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Found a Way by Drake Bell, Drake and Josh theme song on the ukulele. Let's get started. So the chords for the verses, there's only 3 chords that you need to know. It's going to be an E, to an A, to a B. That's it for the verses. Well, I never thought that it'd be so simple, but I found a way, I found a way. Then we're going to go to the pre-chorus, that if you open up your mind, see what's inside. So those chords, it's going to start with a C sharp minor, to an F sharp. So you can keep all your fingers in the same place, slide it up to the 1st fret, and then put your middle finger on the A string of the 2nd fret. So from the C sharp minor to the F sharp, all you're doing is putting your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. So, if you open up your, to an A chord, mind, then you're going to go to an A minor. See what's inside. That takes us to the chorus. The chords for the chorus, you're going to play an E to an F sharp, to an A, to an A minor. You're going to do that again, so you do that twice. E, F sharp, A minor. Then we're going to play an E, an F sharp, and an A, and not play the A minor the 3rd time around. Then we're going to go to an F sharp. Then we're going to play an A, and end the chorus on an A minor. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to play the first verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus, just so you can see where the chords are placed in the song. That's it. And then I will teach you a strumming pattern you could use at the end of the video. So let's get started with the first verse. Well, I never thought that it'd be so simple, but I found a way, I found a way. I always thought that it'd be too crazy, but I found a way, I found a way. Then you go to the pre-chorus. If you open up your mind and see what's inside. Then we go to the chorus. Well, it's gonna take some time to realign, but if you look inside, I'm sure you'll find. Well, over your shoulder, you know that I told you I'll always be picking you up when you're down. So just turn around. Those are all the chords that you need to know, so let's go over a strumming pattern you could use. So for the first verse, it's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. I never thought that it'd be so simple, but I found a way, I found a way. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then for the pre-chorus, it's just one strum, super simple. The if you open up your mind and see what's inside. Then the strumming pattern for the chorus. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, 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 up. Those are all the chords that you need to know for this song. That's a strumming pattern that you can use for the verses, the pre-chorus, and the chorus right there. If you guys want to check out all the ukulele stuff that I have, the strings and capos and even recording equipment, headphones for recording, and interfaces and microphones that I actually use, it's all in the description below. You can check that out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video helped you, and I'll see you guys in another one.